It's back! As you can see, we've got a new one. After all those years of hard work getting rid of them, or one. Also might have one here. So, I think what I'm going to do is rub some of this skin away and then start putting some apple cider vinegar on it again to try and get rid of them. Right, so that's that skin rubbed off. So if we go a bit closer, you should see dots, what looks to be like dots, but I'm not sure, I'm not seeing them here, but it's definitely what it feels like is that you've stepped on a fawn or something like that. So yeah, we've removed that skin. What we're going to do is start using this like I did in the previous videos, apple cider vinegar. This is pretty much a winner for me, so I'm going to put it on probably 2 times a day just to hopefully kill this thing off. It's worse if you're wearing boots, or say welly boots, something like that, and you got a stone or piece of grit in, because it will push on it and it's just really sensitive. So yeah, we're going to get going on this. Alright, now in my previous video when I did this, people got a bit probably carried away, I'd say. They didn't seem to like me doing this and then using apple cider vinegar on my salads. We only need a tiny bit, so just a cotton bud. But yeah, lots of like weird overreactions from strange people. Anyway, let's get on it. So, where are we? There we are. And we're just gonna pop some in there, like so. Now, as long as you haven't broken the skin, using apple cider vinegar is not going to sting, hurt, or do anything detrimental. So, yeah, that's where we are now. What I'll do, I'm going to take a picture of my phone of this and just do a close-up so you could get a better idea of what it actually looks like. But I'll also link in my video, my previous one that's had quite a few views, and you can also take a look at that and how bad these things can get if you don't do anything about them. So yeah, that's it from me now. Thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in another week.